Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I just lost weight. I'm so excited I found an app to use on my phone that changed the way I thought about my dieting. Because when I diet, I get all flipped out in the head. It constantly consumes me. And I'm realizing that all the girlfriends I have in my world aren't really there for me all the time when I'm about to reach for some food that I really shouldn't be eating. A company called Noom came out with an app that has the emotional support I needed for dieting. In my long life, I've read about every diet book on the planet, and I've tried about every single diet out there. Knowing what to eat to lose weight doesn't mean that's what you're gonna eat. My issue is my mental head trip of the obsession of what I'm eating and what I'm not supposed to eat. I needed an emotionally supportive program that didn't include bugging my friends all day long. Because who's got time to really help you lose your weight? Everybody's got their own deals in life to take care of. And with Noom, goals are good, and I had a big goal. This summer, I'm going to my high school reunion with all my girlfriends as a big group. I'm super excited. But high school reunions can be very daunting because, all that high school stuff that comes up. I'm a little nervous about my appearance because it's been so long. I want to look my best. And so I wanted to get rid of that chubby outer layer. I want to be as lean and fit and young looking as I possibly can for this reunion. I'm so excited because it helped me get really thin. And this is one of the outfits I want to show you. So I was trying on a couple of things to wear for this video today. So I have the skirt with the fringe on it. And that was so big. It was a size small, but I had to even pin it in the back. That made me feel great. That's how much weight I had lost. That tight skirt when I was heavier now needed to be pinned. What a triumph. I decided on wearing the short skirt. Wow, and look at my tight tummy. I'm so happy to show you in this video because it's exciting when something really works well. Noom got me into this shape I am today, and that's why I'm talking about it. Everybody watching this knows that being overweight is not good for your health. Noom developed its company about people getting in control of their health issues, and this video is about what they do to help you lose weight. Noom focuses on a calorie-dense diet, and that can be many different things you're eating to feel good and lose weight quickly with all the nutrients you need. It's a different way of looking at calorie counting. By doing Noom's program, I was suggested great meals I could make, and so I would eat those meals and enjoy them to their fullest capacity. And I was also encouraged to do a lot of exercise with the support that goes along with that because I really don't like to do exercise. And it went through a long questionnaire, and the questionnaire had everything important so it could customize a program for me. That is the point of Noom. The more customized program you can get, the more it's going to relate to your personal lifestyle and what you want to achieve with the program of losing weight. They had a whole lot of lifestyle questions, which I liked because everybody's lifestyle is a little different. When I was home raising my 3 kids, I had a whole different lifestyle than now, because now I don't have the kids at home. I do more eating out and more things that might be different for the program that I want today versus the one I wanted before. Being a recipe person, I loved all the recipes they had. It was so fun to see how they combined the ingredients for very healthy meals. And they looked delicious. The pictures of those dishes were fantastic, which was quite inspiring for me. That was the most fun part of the program, was thinking about what I was going to get to eat. The exercise portion was great too because it gave me lots of ideas of exercises that were simple that I wasn't really doing. So I could focus on doing some of those and adding them to my routine because my routine includes lots of walks on the beach. I love living in nature, and that's where I get energized, and that's where I love to feel like I'm playing when I'm actually working out. I focused more on running on the beach to lose the weight, on some yoga moves, and things that were easy for me in nature, because that's where I like to live. I also did some treadmill work in my house, and that was really good too when the weather wasn't great. And I have these exercise bands that just hook up to a door, and those are super great, especially when I travel, because I do a lot of travel lately. But my favorite part about Noom is the group I got matched up with. I need that support of the group. And they figure out who you are and match you up with similar people so you feel really comfortable in this support group. I've never seen a diet program that could do that. By having that support group, that meant I didn't have to share all this stuff with my girlfriends. They don't need to hear this. It's a lot of hassle for them to always hear about Rebecca worried about her weight. Because my weight head trip is my own. Everybody's got their own issue with food and weight. There's a wonderful offer for Noom. If you check the description box and click it, you'll see. So get Noom. They also have additions to it in case you want more services that they offer. So you can add up as many as you need for the type of weight loss program you want. So remember to click that link and get Noom. Comment below and let's talk about weight loss. It is something I think most everybody struggles with to keep a very fit and healthy body that's in the weight zone you want. Ring my bell to get notified of my next video, and let's keep making great recipes in life, like a recipe to stay fit and thin and healthy for the rest of your life. I'm Rebecca Brand. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.